Yeah. I need to change my life. I don't know how, but I have to go get rid of China. We can't church sister, but the little thing with me and her have can't to work again. You understand? Because as a man of God, I need to do it right. I know that I find back my true love, put us. I don't need to go down the road there again. You understand? I see the light. I just hope she no bother with her badness. You understand? Because she take me forget the box when I get, you know. But you know, as a man of God, you have to be humble and quiet. Yeah, and allow things. I just hope with time she can understand, say, we just move on and I do right.
No, I know there's a corruption police boy in a car right now. And you know, so when you liberate him, a car, and you know what happened. How you gonna call me? The car, you want to see what happened. Come back. Yo, what go on? I'm not getting this. What go on? I don't see no news, I don't see nothing come out. What go on, man?
Yo, you want to know, say, boy, get right now.
You mean say man get where? You mean say man get where? Whether you're a policeman and chill for this, brother, are you making man get where? Better never deal with it myself. It's easy as so. And come out with me phone.
It's a jacket suit, man. So boy, that look decent in a jacket suit. Then again, I don't want him to. I like girls, them look funny, you know. Low out that. Move me and move on. Can I get this out to man? Yeah, come in and really wear them again, you know. Alright. Boy, I can't say no close to come to church. Can't say no close to come to church. Because you know them young people, they have an excuse. No excuse now. No excuse. Take him up in the hand a long time. Long time I should have left the youth and guide him in the right path. Never too late, you know? But I will. Time hot in, man. What when I saw me? It's not normal. Alright. That's it.
Yo, go on, man. What that man just step to me, say you.
Move, Satan, move. Make me pass.
No, boy.
Squaddy!
Yes, mom.
I what kind of nice are going out there, sir? Can I tumble down?
Mommy, I'm out there so under your tree, mom, man.
I want to know what that tumble down of one.
No, you.
I leave them and jump off by a tree for the car, mo.
Leave heavy, sir, Squaddy!
Yo, after man tell me if you can link him, Virgin, and me bend two corner and touch it straight. Yo, you don't see nobody in front of me. So where this a police a come from, jump up, blam in front of me like say you ma lay wait me? Eh? What kind of heat could have they for me?
Not even know if you tell lie.
if I chop it tell the boss people them saying dead, I make man a look for me. Alright boy, I just scare big girl feelings. Yo, right now, I say I not trust him in a youth. Right now, I get finable like a bone in a boy in a youth. Cause yo, right now, this look too fishy. Yo, I not trust him, Come like a boy, you set me up in a youth. Yo, my spirit nah tell me no lie. God are good and BAD are bad. Right now, spirit what they tell me right now. My spirit nah tell me no foolishness right now. See, yo, right now. See if me, yo, see all my gun go drop and last youth. Right now, I want to strap you. I can't walk on the road, so you know. Because if man they go look for me, so right now, man can't attack me from right now. Man can't do me yard, and I don't know. Let me go and walk, man. I can't walk, you know, man. What if you know, say your woman and no dealings?
The man never answer the phone. The man get all free now. And normally this somebody answer me. Somebody would go answer.
Man, I feel that yo, you see if I name me by my phone, me just fling it down, you know. And the boy call my phone, you know. See it? A seal. The boy that come call my phone. Yo, you check a few money by man.
You have reached.
Me call again.
Hey, me say yo, I would have seen myself, you know, cause anyone name, hey yo, boy better not call my phone, you know. You that boy that call my phone, you know. Would have want to come set me up in the youth. Yo, boy that don't even know no youth. Mom.
You know what you want?
I must shape more and go for because the banana tree them want promo. From when me have to promo up, by banana tree.
You have reached.
I get this man. And then if I go down here, I go link him. And then better I go down there, go link him, you know. That's the best, you know. I have to get to you. Can't find no one. Oh, there's a police boy. My idiot, you know. So they have me in the force. I always say I'm time. I always find me in the force.
Nobody with the arms house, you know. Right, Squaddy.
I want my shit there, Mom.
I don't make your head here, Hattie.
Alright, Mom. Me out in the farm.
Alright, Squaddy. Come like if you hear them a grow tall and for me. All of them start smell like rampus piece, you don't feel like say, oh man, I have to smell for yourself.
Weapon, you know, all gun with a stick.
Putos! Here girl, putos! I bring something for the boy. You there?
Yes, I'm here.
Alright. Boy, there. One son, boy.
Wagwan, father.
Alright. Boy, son, hot in a butt. I brought something here for you.
I want to take care for me, daddy.
And some church clothes. Come in the house, man. This son a kill out of some man.
Church clothes, daddy.
Yes, man. Come in, my boy.
I'm so busy inside the house.
Oh,
I'm
my.
good to see you.
You know me, say.
Of course.
Hey.
What me and you have is great growing, you know.
All
So we
right.
need to repeat.
Yeah, man. You know I have a suitcase. And I'm sure I watch all new style.
Oh my
Come here, my son.
goodness.
Hey.
Son, come and look. Come and look. Come and look.
No. Look on church clothes.
Oh, yeah, man. Remember say I come to church now, you know.
Put me a jacket.
Your life turn around. Your life turn around now. See there? Boy, hey! Hey, look at photos. Look at photos.
Matching pants.
Matching.
Jesus, queer.
Mom, me not like them
You
shirts.
see?
All you need to do is go to the steamer.
Yeah.
And steam press.
Put on the one let me see. Put on the vest let me see. Put on, yo. Hey, I know you're going to favor your father.
laugh for my friend them go
I
laugh.
never see a better clothes than them here.
For my friend them
I
go
know you're
laugh
going to favor your
me.
father, man. Yeah, my son. Yeah, I don't.
Yeah. Yeah, wear. See it?
Yeah.
See it? You give him real jacket. The man never jacket.
Real,
This a jacket.
This is jacket.
Me not too
You
like it,
understand?
you know, man. Me not like
And
it.
I don't want you to pray the church sisters in the church, you know. You understand?
Ah, Pastor. Why you so worried about the church sisters?
No, man, me just want
your
to
son.
focus on God, you understand? Because flesh them is very, you know.
You not focused on God already.
Yeah.
You're going to encourage him.
Yeah.
He's not yet focused,
Don't
right?
look for my church sister them.
So you put on that. Let me see your jacket, daddy.
Look for the jacket.
Try the pants too.
I can buy a new Bible.
And you look like a right fit them, you know.
Yeah, man, see boy shot like a man. Watch it.
Mhm.
You not see I forgot tailor with it. This one a tailor made.
A real
Wow.
puppy in them here. Where you get them do a Pastor?
Can't go about that.
Then good for his soul do.
But yeah, man, I fed it down to generation, you know. Fed it down to generation. Watch out.
So which generation you collect them from for bring you come here?
Don't worry.
I feel like one day me I got church.
No, man, you
And
have
your suit, you have all tie, look.
Look.
Color fit change, match everything. You know see?
Yes, buddy.
Barrel come.
Yeah.
Alright, when time ready for God church then mom. Me not ready today.
You don't have no sense to tell me that.
Mom, remember say me I go
Okay.
to clean up a banana and not
Say
done
you're
it.
going to clean it up, but don't tell me when, where, and whatever
We
you're
have,
not.
we have prayer service tonight.
Yes, you're going.
You can forward. Now we are one of them food, you understand? Yeah, man.
We're the best food. I say you pack the bag, you could have fall them.
You know what, I was worried. I was so excited to bring him some church clothes.
Where you get them care for him though?
No, man, I feel me them, man. I feel me them.
You grow them out.
I'm grow, no matter to grow them out fully,
So
no,
when you
but
talk about generation, then you're front a little boy. When you carry things on your care, come give me could things you find them come from here, me have to attempt the barrel pack.
I say me can't too tell lie, no. Put up, you know, say me man I got.
Alright, Pastor, alright. You tell like other things do. You drink tea from morning? Where you eat?
You know, say me not too eat nothing still, but me did drink one like a Pepsi, you understand? Yeah, man.
Me not see tag funny.
Tag in my pants, look, see pants are with tag.
Yeah.
I me sure some when me up in the waist, me see one tag. If tag not upon the jacket,
No,
wait,
man.
find the pants there.
Me did take off the tag them, because me no want to
See
know.
one tag here.
You know,
What
for
is?
man, I want 1-2 here now, my son.
Oh,
At the size. You can't fit him, man.
It can't fit you, man. The tag, I him take off the tag and fight. You never want custom bother them, you know.
Let me go bigger than
Me gonna make little tea for you, yeah?
All
We
right,
bust
people.
little gas in you.
Yeah, man.
Cause gas take you and moving in your belly, you know.
I don't want any gas, because tonight I have to deliver at the service, you know. And when I introduce it to the congregation, I'm going to surprise that I have a son.
No, church shoes daddy.
No, so hold on there. Sugar done, man.
You say sugar done?
Sugar got grain left in the
Me
pan.
go a shop, mommy. Me go a shop.
No, I'm going to the shop. You stay here. Yep, I'm going to the shop to buy the sugar. Put up the foreign
bag. You
bag.
can't come with the photos. Remember, say we need to catch up, you know. We walk and talk, man. Him good, man. You can go and look on them and try them out and try them and see. You understand? Just pick out where I go wear for tonight. I hear my son.
No, look on them, daddy, man. But
What you say?
No, me I look for him, I look like him, he can't appreciate nothing.
Him good, man. I some
You know
boy
some
fitness
people
here.
stay up in a stand and fling them licky place and all. Like, you know what, throw them down.
I don't think he'll do that, man. Just give him some time.
what
you know.
is what is here, mommy? I want
Let's go.
Yeah,
I want belt this, mommy.
You see, any of you could have run your neck here tie like rope. If I feel hang, you're going to the church.
I think you know better, you know. I'm a go answer, man.
Come on, you.
Church. Oh, church group. So I want to wear them there. Thank God me ID. No one church.
want to feel over there. Or him parents over there. Right now, the best time if him parents them over there, you know. Because I don't want them see what going on. Because permanent me I say them home, you know, 6'6". Now you can get... Nick! Oh, like you know over this. Nick!
Boy,
Yeah.
me yard you to come make me nice in my yard, so.
Nick!
Stay there, go and call.
Nick! Oh, go on, brother.
Brother, what you doing on me yard?
Brother, me link you, me not get you, brother. Me call you 2 times, me not get you.
Yo, you not call me phone, brother.
Oh, God, Nick, look here.
Yo, brother.
Brother, what you do?
Yo, I kill man for killing.
For what?
Hey, boy.
You want Nick?
Yo, ease off, brother. Ease off. Cause me don't have to chop up in a
Brother, how you free?
Chop you know, so you set up, man, brother. Eh? My
Yeah.
youth,
Yeah,
you're a
tell
police
Nick.
friend that tried to kill me off last night, boy.
Who?
Now you're a police friend, man.
I don't want to, you know, we don't link with police, brother. You can't talk about police, brother.
My youth, lift
Which
up our
police?
time. I mean, say which police? Me this left round I corner, eh? Me not chat to nobody. When me look on the road, a man, Mr. Brother, you don't see a chop me for chop.
Brother.
Yo,
Oh,
come on.
look here now.
Yo,
The car if you
yo.
can't link me, brother.
Come out of me yard,
Pull out your
brother.
machine, man. What you do, man? Pull out your machine, Nick.
My youth.
Yo, Squaddy, I want to you, brother. If me don't want to kill you, me kill you, brother. May you move toe to toe, street to street, brother. I want to kill you, me kill you, brother.
My mother warned me about boy like you know in
Brother, I
the
want to you, brother. I saw
Yo.
bad this go, brother. And
Yo,
then,
brother.
brother, look at me, brother, no. He done dead. Any car can play, then go look for you done, brother. Who if you tell us, say, no, my turn next, brother.
Brother.
We have to keep your eye open, brother. I want to you, brother. And me a
Brother.
call you, brother, you not answer, brother.
Brother, I don't believe you're still in a brother, but.
Brother, anything I have to call me, me know in a youth, so me can't.
Yo, I sure you that deal with the boss business in a youth. Me no know certain man in a virgin.
And that me I tell you, brother, see you have to, remember me tell you for day one, you can't feel it. No, brother. Me tell you already, brother. You not call look for me, brother, you have to keep your eye open, youth. You think me call look for you? You think me have to do? Me have to
brother.
look out at me,
Yo, me
brother,
not
because me
tell
know
nobody.
me I deal with it.
Yo.
I say a long time in this in a youth. Me tell you already. You can't let a girl done, brother.
Brother, that's why I say yo, that true me didn't trust you in a virgin, but true you explain to me and I was a real G.
I may tell you.
Yo, I suck on brother. Yo, brother. Do a man rush me, brother. Walk down for yo. Something like him
See,
man
I shoot
know
him.
me, brother.
You know, shoot him.
Brother, he gone where you give me stick, dog.
I don't know, look for you right now, not to be sugar sweet like I am. You just look like a honey. You understand?
Cone.
Cone.
He gone last, Nick.
Yo, bad man. Yo,
Brother, if police will have find a gun there, brother,
Yo.
a jail we gone, you know.
brother. Yo.
Brother, how you feel make you gun jack, brother?
Brother, I'm all gonna give me, brother.
Brother, there's nothing with us all, brother.
How I so?
Yeah.
You know see this? What are these trash man doing in my yard? Hoodlum, what you doing here?
Virgin, me calling a long
Please
time.
to leave me yard.
I relax, man.
It's no good for my son, it's bad company.
But they say, Virgin, me calling for man.
Virgin,
Yo,
the last
let's
time
go
this-
yard, yeah, man.
Left me yard, left me yard.
Lick him with the bun, lick him.
Left me yard, left me yard.
I bet you the sugar.
Left me yard, left me yard.
Lick the boy.
Left me yard. I will burn, I should have.
Nobody want the bun, nobody want the bun. Nobody that the crab might have done parasite the bun.
Son!
Me na yard.
You see me know so I don't play for donkey. God's father, come. Be a dragon and spit fire. Pray for him.
Just know you know my son, I don't want to lose you know. Understand? Come around some car. This is the boy man. I know you go through a lot in your life.
I'm if you lock me eye.
Lock your eye man, I'm gonna pray for you. Understand? Father, as you can see, this company, not the best company, Father, but time did everything change. Understand? So I want you to just guide him. Understand? Deliver him from these evil fellows, evil friends. Understand? Not only killing a cat.
No, I the one mosquito upon his shoulder, man.
You understand? Save him from him.
Continue, Pastor.
Save him from the mother. I'm gonna butter bruise him.
Not like that, Pastor.
I mean, enemies. Yes, save him from enemies, God.
Mommy, I
Deliver him. Close the eye now, Father.
Eye close, eye close.
Yes. From all these beatings of hallelujah. Hallelujah. Alright, God, pray now, Pastor. God. Pastor, I want you to deliverance me, please. Father, give me a break.
Give him a break, Pastor.
I'm one boy. Give me a break. Some woman beat me all the way there.
A prayer is not, he's not taking, he's praying, the pastor praying.
Alright.
Amen.
Make it
Amen, Pastor.
Make it deep for me.
Amen, Daddy.
Make it deep for me.
Me not say amen yet, you know.
Come on, Daddy. Go on with me. So miserable. Me so
I full contact. Yeah, young boy.
See, this sugar you put us.
Come here.
Why the go far in left him bag?
Squaddy. Why? If I saw your mother say Squaddy, oh yeah, get trouble, Squaddy. You lovely.
You know, trouble, but mom knows me a boy pit me. I'm
rough
like,
man.
motor, yeah.
Oh God. But still and still, I can pray for you.
Ginger tough bad. Sure. That done well, you know.
Come and shoulder me tonight. Me not go come tonight till tomorrow.
No, you can't skip church, man. Make time for God, alright?
But come up and you will swell up.
Don't worry yourself. Just make some time for God, alright?
When them come like they have hand and foot.
Get it.
We have gas too.
Alright, put those.
Come to the tea here. Help me get some now and eat some. I feel the bubble in my stomach. And the little boy.
Watch it, the photo. Alright. You take this.
Look here, you have to clean up my floor, you know.
No, don't worry yourself. Take have a seat over this side, right this side. Come on, go. Now that we're finally back together.
Yes.
We need to think about the future, you understand?
True.
Yeah. The boy has no skill. You have skill or no have skill. I would have sent him back at school, you know.
You have to go ask him if him develop any on the road, because it's on the road him being from when.
Okay.
Don't know what he's good at yet, you know.
He need to have a trade or something, you understand?
Ask him if he have any trade, if he develop any from the roadside.
That's what I'm asking.
And that's the only thing he like to do and go on the road.
Okay.
You know, no, no, cause no already. You look like say. Look like say worm take up the flowers, you know, cause he leave them heat up.
I soon buy a quick king size bed here, you know.
Yes, I need one of them big foreign bed.
Yeah, with the back on it right there.
Yes.
Yeah,
Cause as I see, it's a table. This is a table, it don't have no head. Yes, everything I have, I give it to him and I get the news.
Right.
Things are Squaddy, things are going for your Squaddy.
Yeah, man.
All you have to do is be humble.
Humble. Hey, you hear that, Squad? Yeah.
I tell him humble can have drink the most milk.
Squaddy gone, man. Got nothing there.
Squaddy go on way.
Are you back that
We need to quit. Yeah. God, I wonder if he search me back. I don't trust that little boy, you know.
You think he's searching? Check.
Seeing is believing that I don't want to judge him. No man, something missing.
Jesus.
Something missing, cause something just missing.
You take your money.
A money.
When he come back, man. When he come back, I have to deal with him. You understand?
Come here, some skate up on the top,
I have
you know.
to deal with him
Now
when
this
he come
side
back.
part little bit.
I never want to be rough at him, you know. But if I say I'm a thief,
They say if you don't throw down you. Yes. Anytime the boy they come out the other than time them left. Bad company. That's why I take the money. I bet you the boy them gone. You hear what me say? Nothing but that Prazmite. I am going to become a definite hoodlum. You have to catch him and hold him up in. I know that boy socks need to pull up.
we're gonna get there. Just give him some time, you know.
Me tell you if you go through this, man.
What you say, man?
All I was going to get the paper and sign him up for the place to go and you know.
No, we have to send him a home, man. Let's get a cops. We don't send him a cop.
I'm tired. I'm sick and tired. This is total foolishness.
What about that, man?
He's too spoiled, I tell you, and think he's totally entitled. The boy don't know what he have, you know. You're gonna have to show you have to sit him down stronger and talk
Yeah,
to
man,
him.
I'm gonna be the father figure that he needs, you know. So you don't worry, alright?
Squaddy town thief.
You don't worry, man.
And that boy was telling me a lie, you know. A lot of lie that boy tell me. And you know when people like the thief.
Don't pressure yourself. Don't pressure yourself. Alright, him soon come, when him come to talk to him, alright?
Alright, pray for me then.
I will pray for you.
Yeah.
Lock the door. Lock the door when I pray for you. I will have to pray in secret for me.
Yeah, pray for me. Maybe me feel better. Me feel better at the time.
My eyes are looking now. Come,
Yeah.
let me pray for you. Come, turn off the light. Come on, that issue.
I go over my hand, you know, and I do it. You go back Shane, I go tell her, I say, you kill that too. You go like you want to go. Shane,
Uncle Chocolate,
you don't want me want to talk to you about something.
you want to talk to me about it?
Can come in?
Yes, you can come because I'm flowers, them there in the water. Me want through water to the foot.
Want to talk to you
How
about
many good lads send you come?
Yeah, because sit down when I talk to you, because you stand up.
You hear me say me the water, me
No, you have
flowers,
to sit down, man. Come, sit down and let's talk.
You the talk about sit
Let's talk
down.
about you know, man, you have band shoes.
A Britney shoes.
Oh, you bring it there?
Britney the inside. What problem now, chap lad? After all, me not live with no man if you help me do work, you know, so me have to take on the work myself.
So, how you do? You good?
Yes, me alright.
You said everything good?
Me water me lovely flowers them in the name of Jesus. Why problem now? You not talk?
Yeah. You know me a lot to apart for a long time.
Me know so no peas in a pot.
Yeah.
You who you no pay you?
Oh, man, lot of now woman, lot of we give him money. You know say? I do better if I can't manage my use. I better left here, man.
Chap lad, you come round here if you tell me something and now you dey say me can't manage.
You never
if
can
me
manage that,
you
yeah.
wouldn't reach by me step. Tell me man, tell me want to hear. No matter what. Cause the last time let us make you come round you come sweep me up, you know. So if I something like this you come with, you know, chap lad. Tell me fast man.
Who is that boy over
Tell me man, cause I'm very excited to hear you know.
You can't manage it.
Of course me can't manage you, no see me sit down man.
You know what they get find out say? Squaddy kill Lato.
What you mean Squaddy kill Lato?
We can't find him.
Why help me take care of Britney when Squaddy kill Lato?
Listen up.
Listen up.
Oh, no.
I'm going to call the police. What you mean?
No, you can't call the police. No, you man.
Listen
Listen up. No, you can't. You can't tell her. Listen. You can't call the police. Me tell you, me go. Shayna, listen up.
Lord of
Listen.
mercy, Jesus.
Listen up.
Oh,
Listen.
what are you going to do now?
Like too much excitement. Listen. If you call the police, ain't gonna get involved and all the people go see. So me I try to find him. Good night, you go call him and me not get him.
As much as we never did together again, you know, when Britney forget in little things sometime.
You know, I'm not telling you, no, Squaddy there. Squaddy hide.
When they had an option and me have to get to the police, you know, for
No.
me. Britney!
Shane, you can't call him. Look, you know. You can't bring Britney more.
Oh, God,
Go, yeah,
wait.
next problem. Look, you know. Look, man. You can't go to me, go help her with. I'm going to get, because I'm going to get him. Any assistant you want, I'm going to help you. You understand?
Listen to me now.
Don't call the
As a
police.
bad man, not
Can't
a
get
real.
some-
He must dead left some money. He must dead left
What you say,
some.
man?
Give me something, chop
Listen
lad,
up.
your pocket
No,
fat,
me
you
not have
come with
nothing.
the news.
Listen. We don't have no connection to people link. We don't have to go and link. And that me I try make
Who
everybody
go and
know
bury
now.
him? Who go and bury
You go tell me,
him?
now that me I tell you now, you me associate because
Because
if I tell
me not
people.
listen to nothing what I tell me say. Squaddy kill
Listen,
him,
we can calm down. We can
Alright.
calm
I hear you, I
down.
hear
Calm
you.
down. Calm down. We gon' get to. You understand? So go on in, man, and calm down. We gon' make everything alright. Here.
Calm down.
Anything you want, you call me.
Calm down.
Yeah. Remember. Don't break
I'm not tell her,
and don't call the police. Let's get down, okay?
No phone call and I make.
Yeah.
Make me cooler.
Promise.
Yes, make me
Alright.
cooler. Just a minute. You know what? I'm going to fix the little boy your business for him. I have a little violin at the house, you see. Fix the little bit. Brittany? Brittany? See if you have me daughter. Brittany, I soon come and be going on the road to come back here. Sleep, take a rest. I can't believe my boyfriend really killed my father. You know, I'm up on the road right now because I have to find him. I'll go so much with mommy God. Fix me.
Oi. Brittany, what's up?
You don't call to me.
Oh, what is?
You're a murderer.
Babes, what?
Listen up. Don't
What
be
is for?
me. Don't hold on for me.
What is for?
Listen up, you kill my father.
Rumors that, babes.
What do you mean by rumors? Don't hold on for me,
Babes, sit down, babes, are rumors. Me love you, babes. What the
I'm a rumor that. Listen, you can't go on and tell lie, but Chappy don't come to me mother can't say it already. I hear everything.
Babes, don't listen to Chappy. Chappy a liar.
Listen up.
Chappy a liar,
Listen up.
babes.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Excitement,
You
you
kill
want
me
call
father,
me
you
not.
want to kill me too.
Babes, what kind of excitement this you
Me
call
say
on
leave
for
me
me?
alone. Go on.
Tell the people them
You're a
want to-
murderer.
Babes, you can't do this.
Murderer, me say you.
Babes, you can't do
You're a murderer.
Babes,
Kill
you
me
can't.
father. You're a murderer. Brittany. We are crying, want you.
Why are they crying? Why even they do your so? You don't even want to intervene in your business too much. Come on, your man come beat me.
Jada, don't say that. I don't have my man anymore.
Me did warn you about that boy. What happened?
He killed my father.
What?
He killed my father.
Brittany, me warn you about that. The man there, no, Brittany, me tell you so that the man there bad company. You should have listened to me.
The man killed my father. The man when me love killed my father.
Alright, stop it, boy. Come on. And left from your so, because your son not safe, you know. Come now. Alright, oh, sorry. You should have listened to me, no, Brittany. Look how me and talk to you. See how quick you dash me with him? How much years me and your friend? If me and never good friend now, me leave the same place. They say they cry, but me just can't stand up and watch they cry. Come on, let me left from you.
Oh, God.
They talk to you, you should have listened, girl.
Aye.
Hold on. You still hot?
Of course, Pastor.
You forget my last name?
Oh my God.
Pastor?
How much name you have? Your name Pastor? Your name Pastor? Your name Houdini Langstick?
Yeah.
So how much do us that then I want?
How are yourself? Alright. It's true. I don't want your boy, good boy, come.
I'm glad you correct yourself.
Yes. So, what do you do?
True.
Me
It's nice and that sweet, mama sweet, good work for it. I saw the ladies I did say, you know.
How are yourself?
Anytime you want it. Yes.
How are you right now? Convention hot tonight, coming in advice.
Alright. I will pray, look looking at you. Me there right there, so I look for you.
No, take me out for you. Come like you alone, I will pray. So what?
Later.
So, tell the boy, tell him. Yeah.
Take time now,
Yeah, I make sure say him put on just properly.
Take deep breath and walk out. You know, very good. Alright. Oh. Oh God. Can get a good nice rest now. And I suit I sleep on king size because this is a total table.
Yo, God know you. Here a girl a go on. Eh? Here a girl a go on and I make up big excitement in our place now, yo. I wonder how she tell. Yo, the boy chap here want real informer in a youth. Yo, God know you. You see that boy there? Yo, man, you see that little boy there, yo?
Pastor, behave now. Me feel so. What to me just a talk about Pastor so.
You alright, mommy?
Squaddy!
You heard her talking in your sleep, mom. I come long time, you know, mom, I'm going to the bathroom, man.
I'm sleeping with sweat, man. I did nightmare them.
Yeah, alright, mom. You heard up get out in a spirit.
What we do? Tell her to sweep us, yours look dirty to you?
Mom, I plate me in a wash, you look so on here.
Wait there. You could play it, Squaddy. Alright, make I get up from here, say no. Cause I know say, you take money out of my bag. And you take me for idiot.
Me, mom. Me.
You take me for one knee.
I will never touch your money, mom.
Make I put on my shoes. You see you? You come in here, sweeping and doing everything. And what you want to do? No, take off the roof and put it on back.
Mom, but you are asleep.
You know you do something wrong. That's you come in here tidying up like tidying up. Did I ask you to do anything, Squaddy?
Yeah, but mom.
Yeah? Did I ask you to do anything?
No.
Sweep off the concrete off the floor.
No, mom.
Sweep off the tile off the floor. Sweep off everything. Sweep it off. Cause you yourself need some sweep off also.
And then I go say me lazy. I'm there the help.
Yes, lazy like white foot dog, lazy just I see when they lead them so I look for food for eat.
How much you me see you asleep, man? So what kind of spirit me?
Give me money where you have, where you take out of my bag, and go out on the road with your friend. Me money me I defend.
See them, I don't no money for you, mom. I don't know no money.
No, sir. Me no Merlin at you, I never sign up for no track party.
See them, mom, no money for you, mom. No money, me not tell you.
Squaddy, give me money to me.
Me not tell you no lie, mom.
Send me money here.
No, mama, no, me put it in there, mom. No!
If I didn't give you one more, your ribs broken, Squaddy. You hear?
I don't know how money walk going in my pocket.
You don't know how money walk. Are you walk to the money?
I don't know how going in my pocket, mom.
That's all little and thief, man. You can't do so much things and not get no lick. No, look, me have got thump in your job and I'm broke next time. You hear me?
I'm a dopey, take your money.
Dopey, I'm going to fist you in the ears because you're not hearing through that one. English can't cock up your ears, Squaddy?
No, mom. Please.
I'm going to give you a chance. It's alright, Squaddy. Everybody deserves a second chance. Thief one more time in here. A hot fire me to put a 10 finger in a boy.
Me have to tell daddy.
You never touch another thing for me or somebody else.
Me have to tell daddy.
Who see the steal on the road now?
No, Mom.
Cause you're stealing from me, Squaddy. Your mother, the one that birthed you, 9 months and 1 week you stay. You didn't even want to come out. They was going to give me pill. They was going to cut me, Squaddy.
Mommy, no thief again.
And I pray to Father God that you come. You survive. The both of us survive. We're here. You see, I'm going outside. Because if I stay in here with your Squaddy, you see the plate where you say we have a little bit left? Wash them. And if them wash already, all of them, wash them over. Occupy your time in the yard.
Alright, Mom, go wash them.
I can take up my hand back. No, and I put it right back. I'm putting it right next Squaddy. And I've been scared of you in my own house. But in a half a thief. You know, say if he asks me give him, he might cuss, but me give him. You know, I mean, I'm sharing a sheep to worry about now. I worry about my man. She will worry about my man when she borrow. Oh, and me get him back now on my man. Oh, that boy is mine. That she fi know. Lock him down. No. My man, me run things. Things not run me. She go see. Yes? What?
See the answer like a farm. You sit down in a jizzle rain and I wait.
The boy I give me peace on trouble and it I don't even feel it.
Falan, the boy always they give problem. You claim say you have the solution, so I don't know. Like you sit down out so still they talk about problem. Your problem should have solved.
You know what? You know so me should have come to you about me pick the business. Me should have come to you with pick the business. Don't you take it tell me.
Well, you come to
you
me.
use me pick the fat fry me now?
Look here. And your son, me when come for still, you know, me want
See him
talk.
for what?
Falan, me want to talk to him about something. Me and your friend. And you have a little boy giving problem. And me give you a little solution, you know, feel so me must
So me not tell you say salute already?
Falan, just call your son. Me want to have a word with him. Me want to talk to him.
Tell me the words to tell me,
and
son.
And nothing for your friend.
Son! Squaddy! Come here, Squaddy!
You dey behave like me not care about your son as
I
well as
don't care who want to care about my son right now. I have him daddy.
Mommy.
I want to hear anything you're going to tell my son.
Look here, Falan. Me just want to have a little talk with him.
Come, son, talk to son. Not coming at me out.
What about this? So me can't have no privacy. Come one side, let me talk.
Talk to my son right here, son.
What this, man?
I come here with blood in my eye.
I'm not the my pillar.
Come around here, so let me talk to you, Falan.
Come here, son.
See, if I ever want you, you not reach yet. Imagine.
You come.
Me no want him here, so because you don't know what me da do.
So
If
let
he
you know
come
I
here,
stay inside.
me will want him by myself. Fi show him signs and wonders. Can you imagine?
Signs and wonders.
You have that little boy and him shit up himself and Falan, me help you clean him everything.
Yes.
Feed him.
Yes.
He give you problem,
Thanks.
Falan. And I give you the solution. And you mean to tell me, say, Falan, me have a little daughter. How would you feel? How would you feel if me did have a son and my son kill your daughter, father?
Me son.
What you mean? So me want to know who go help me mind Brittany because
Me son.
me alone not go ball. Me alone not going to no funeral. Falan, remember me did tell you.
Allah you tell for my son, you know.
Me say you and pastor.
Jesus.
You know, ask me fi deal with because he not go so.
Me know my son still now
You
come
so-
out here.
You never believe nothing what people tell you about fear opinion yet, you know. Me notice you in a Falan. Everything you take up for that little boy, but him do it. Me hear from good source.
My son no them not join bad things. My son no do no a good boy. A church him a go. Him a go to church.
Alright,
He
Miss
find
Cypher.
every car close for him.
Him find every care close to him, a devil. Him and him father, a devil. You see all the past time, me not really hina him, me
What pastor do you know?
still
And your
want-
pastor this so
Look
close.
look here. Because since that little boy a come in a pastor life, the money now coming so strong. I used to come in and me want if you come in, Falan. Me no want to no play with me things.
Well,
See, that
pastor coming in, me strong.
that you have to say that sweet you. Well, what goes sweet me now is when me can get for me little money if you take care of Brittany because Brittany no have no father and if I catch that little boy, yeah.
Me and you negotiate so we go take pastor money and this year come out.
As much as me and Brittany father never they do the pan nothing, you know, Falan, it hurt me, you know. It hurt me. It hurt me because he used to give Brittany little change every now and
Only
then.
thing me can do now is beg to take the money from pastor give you for help you bury your man.
You know, see,
When me did promise to give, said police power
Remember me tell you say, I go and set police I come tear down that little piece of place you want to have. Me then make sure tell them say the window around there so no good, you know. Officer, if you shake it so it drop out. Watch me out.
No, push me through the board. Push me through the board.
And you think you me want and your son away and go and, you know what? And they come left out on the yard, you know.
Oh, you come
and they come left out on the
this
yard.
try.
And when come to fixing business, lifeless like wine do Britney father. Jesus Christ have
My son not do that.
Your son do it. You don't take off it. If I hold you,
Leave me, son. Leave me, son.
and they go left, you know. And they go left out on the
Son, let me
cross
in. Let me in, me son.
You see all the pastor when a whole pastor. You know worry on yourself.
What which pastor?
And
And a pastor and be for baby father.
Police, all Hindi come. All Hindi come, they won't come round here when me done with you know. Fi Britney
I'm
father.
gonna you strangle your man, you know.
Miss
I'm gonna you
Jocelyn,
strangle your man
I
round
left you
there.
fi strangle
And you
pastor.
strangle your man. Why I left pastor to left pastor to strangle me. Pastor strangle me the right way and right and
right. Go on,
right and
Vaya.
proper way.
Why you
already.
have the feeding pan round here? Make him force right. So,
Hey, now come over here, come mash up my house, you know.
Look
Don't
here.
mash up my house.
look here.
Don't mash up my
I dey go
house.
leave corner one day. Say me come over here, come fight you, but things will go on. Things will go.
Lady, go on. Lady, go on.
Make her leave.
Lady, go on. We better fi six like Brian Lara. Lady, go on.
I go left. I go
Lady,
left.
go on.
Liquor.
I go left for the place.
Lady, go
I
on.
go left for the. I go left for the place.
Lady, go on.
You know worry on the whole self. I go left for the place.
Yes, sir. See how West Indies.
Yeah, yes,
You
sir.
hear me?
Yeah, your class hit some kill Britney father.
I'm not going to hell off for your body now.
Go inside, darling, now. Go stop.
You know, she not quarrel over no man that I don't know.
Remember me tell you, you know.
No.
Remember me tell you.
See, money can't save life. After we plan to take pastor money, she come tell me say our man dead. How much more money she want, you know? I come blackmail me. I blackmail you after you blackmail me because I don't believe nothing what you say about my son. Son, open the door. Son, should I tell me say you killing me every father? You do it for true? You do it? You do it? You do it? Me say if you do it. You do it?
Yes.
Lord Jesus! He killed me now, he killed me, He killed me now! He killed me now!
No. Come on, chop it. Alright. Oh, God. Mom. Alright. Oh God.
The belly button. Aye. I feel belly pain. Boy. Hey. When I lift your thing in my foot.
I'll chop it, give me
No,
gun.
you big your thing in my hand, Squaddy!
Me not do it again. Me go to church with my father, Mom. Me go to church.
Squaddy!
Me go to church, Mom.
Squaddy,
Me
what?
go to church. Me go to
Squaddy,
church.
what are we going to do now?
No, Mom.
Squaddy, me not dead, me not tangle with you.
No, me can't
If
run
it
around.
comes to the money, I want to bottom in the ear. No! No! This could never be happening to us.
Mom.
This could never be happening to us, Squaddy. Look what we're going through already.
Oh my chop.
We don't have much.
Oh my chop.
Your father's just coming in our life to share the money.
Mom, just
Oh
don't tell
God!
me, father. Don't
You,
tell me, father.
the offering money have to share. Squaddy, your father go angry with you. No, I'm gonna take. Oh,
Mom, just save one money and get one lawyer for me, Mom.
oh, the Lord is my shepherd; I shall not want.
Mom, make daddy one
He
money and
leadeth
get
me in the
one
path
lawyer.
of righteousness for His name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For thou art with me, thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Don't prepare a table before me. In the presence of my enemies.
China, where you go?
Where you dey block me way for? What you mean say when me
You
dey
can't
go?
go for the station. Where you go?
Car boy put on a station. Me go run at the boy mother yard and it look like say a true.
Me not no lie.
And me see the guilt over the boy face and fall and they back him in about there what. It's
fall and I know
Britney
him a
last
bit, fall and I
year
know him a
in a
deal with.
school. Britney have CHC for the who go help me pay for Britney subject them.
listen.
Eh?
So we are
Who
we are go do.
Look here. Me, you don't have no little corrupted cop police friend.
Me are wondering about me money then different.
Be money then defend. So what
Yeah.
you think me a woman for? You think me just broke
So you
and
have
pop?
money
Look
for you?
here. Look here, me have one little change with me. Right now me will do anything.
In the kill man, we take anything you give me,
You
take
sure?
any alright. Yeah man.
One little change with me.
Don't worry about that man, just forward and come. Me just find it. No,
Wait, right now.
in there one bar on the road you drink.
You open the door, open the door. I don't have no time to waste. I'm
Forward, man.
business. Make
So
sure
me can't
say
think you go to a police station people and make you go walk
police
free.
station then now get away with it.
Come here, I go down there. 'Cause you-
Prison they go. Prison. Which one you say it, man?
Calvin. What? I call you and I get you. Mom. Okay, phone kind of chip on the boat. You know what that. You know. Me I go for that move.
Evening.
I understand. She a girl that change. I just deal with you and with us.
Right now, officer.
You must give me money.
Right. You have to wrap up here now. Look here.
A lot of people mother, you know.
Listen.
Yeah.
Yes.
Lots of people mother.
Yes, sir. You're
Right.
supposed to tell me what
So
happened.
you know it's nothing really
Look
hard.
here.
to do.
Accept this. Do me, I beg you. It may be no much, but it can stop
much?
a gap.
Don't worry yourself, man.
You don't worry yourself, man.
What's all the good things that I do for you,
Don't
man?
worry yourself.
I feel weight this thing, like waiting.
Exactly, and if you're not alright after me,
Forward, look, you don't know so we can't take hold of
good.
it.
You're right, officer. I want you making rotten a
Yeah,
prison.
man. Yeah,
I
man.
want
Pick up
them
a phone and forward now. Yeah, man.
Officer, I want them deal with him at prison.
No, so we
Do you want
think-
good enough,
what do you-
sir?
Yeah, man. What do you think active when you think, man?
Oh,
You know
you
think
think
about?
I man?
Forward, man.
TV, Kriano. Go on a road, me not have time here.
God Jesus. How will my son put me in a now? Squaddy. Squaddy, you gone to the dog now, Squaddy? Eh?
Mommy, a self-defense, mommy. Man could have killed me too, you know, mommy.
Squaddy, I'm gonna make everything tumble down for me now.
Mommy, everything go alright, mommy, man.
Squaddy,
Mommy, everything go...
everything over alright.
Mommy, just believe me, no, man. If we don't feel safe, mommy, we can left right at the house, yeah, mommy.
They're from which house? I wasn't planning on leaving.
Say,
You don't have a nowhere else to lay your head. I haven't even figured that out as
mommy,
yet.
don't worry yourself. The man could have killed me too, mommy. I never purpose.
Oh, you trying to tell me say self-defense?
Yes, mommy, on a purpose, mommy, I not do it again.
Squaddy, that ain't a finger mash no crying now. No, Squaddy.
Mommy, give me a next chance.
I want you, Squaddy. I want you morning. I want you evening. I want you night. And I want you in between, Squaddy.
Mommy, but out I dead man or me, which one of them you love? The man done dead already, you know, mommy.
Squaddy, yes, me have to go left the place.
Oh, you sound miserable, mommy, like you're
Me have to be get me upset.
Mommy,
me
me a no
angry.
murderer, mommy. Me a no murderer, mommy.
You take this thing for joke.
I no joke, mommy, but... me a
So
no
why you
murderer,
take it so
mommy.
easy? Why you so nonchalant about it? Huh?
Mommy, man could have killed me, mommy.
No, and me upset like a me kill him, you know.
Mommy, man, boss about...
You don't feel no way. It's Squaddy where your heart there. I me a try growing a good look boy.
Mommy, I told me couldn't talk, you know, mommy. Certain things me can't tell you, you know, because you're too
Jesus,
miserable, you know.
Squaddy. Me no want show breast to God, you know. Me no want ball funny.
Mommy, give me a chance, mommy, man.
Me no want say nothing bad over your head.
Give me a chance.
Cause when
mommy.
parents say it happen,
Me go God church, mommy. Call my father.
you decide to go to church now.
I want God church.
Me like all the officer that move fast already.
Squaddy, I'm sorry. No.
Mommy, me talk to you, mommy.
No,
Police!
Pull him out. Come on, everybody. Pull him out.
Sit down.
You think so you don't get
Down,
it?
come on.
Pull him out.
Down.
Come on, present that you don't know. Here, you bang the boy so till I
I'm let police say about terminate. Hey boy.
Deal with him, yes, officer. You shall go to prison. You kill me,
Boy,
me,
I see you boy.
Yes, deal with him, Chuck. Deal with him, son, lad. Officer, do your work over here, though. You have to do your work.
You never know someone I want you. You never know someone I want you. Yo, go on with it. Pick up.
Officer, you dey talk about if I never want things. Stop, lad.
Oh, tap him for me hump here.
Where my child me pick the phone now?
Officer, hold him. You
Pick the never touch a fly from him, man.
You still a back him.
Hey boy, put that in here.
He is a good
Put on the handcuff.
Put it never in church
Put
clothes
on
in
the
my bag.
That's not for you. You pick the pastor business. I see your
I see the
style now.
boy this every day. God.
Hey boy, tap on eyes. Hey
Oh,
boy.
go ahead, mind Brittany. Put it on. Put it on.
Please, I beg you.
Handcuff one on his hand and one on his foot. Put it on.
Me tell him about this and the road you.
Officer, wait, let me
Hold on, sir. Got a boy think father.
Imagine.
You're gonna make your father bail him, his son.
Hey boy.
Your father bail.
Up here, you have to do the work on me there. You have to handcuff him and myself.
Chop in a set like
Pull it down up too tight,
Pull it too tight. If you settle yourself, if you move, it get tighter.
Obviously, the time
Yo, go with him,
I
officer.
touch me now. That means me take charge of the assault.
Hey boy, put on the zipper.
You see it? I saw the deal with
I
civilian.
want him about the street already.
Go with you.
Me tell him about the
I
street.
mean, all the police coming up on the
Yo,
side.
yo,
Go with
yo.
you.
Hey,
Because
hey,
I
hey,
can't come.
You see all you? And you set up my son.
You be
And
feeling
you
it.
set
You
up
be
my
feeling
son.
because you're afraid
Oh.
to
And you
get
set
up.
up my son.
Oi, be no say me boss here, you
Why
know.
you set up my son for lady? If me didn't say that, send me if me didn't.
Wicked.
Jesus.
You're being wicked.
My son. Why, my son? Why?
Me no want hear this.
Please. Please.
Yo, I told me no want kill you, you
My
know.
son not do that.
Go on back in the
My
house.
son not do that. Me pitney not do that. Me pitney a good pitney. Never do that from him bad.
Chunk him. Chunk him.
Come.
Put him in the
Hey
chunk.
boy.
Put him in the chunk. Put him in the chunk. Go up in the chunk. Go up.
Go, hey boy.
Go up.
Hey, boy. Go up in the
What that could have done so make you come.
Explain what?
Wait, officer.
Go in there with him. Go in there with him. Say
What
more.
that could have done
Hey,
so
boy, I
we
feel-
can't drive in there with him for
Yo,
killing
let me
with
talk.
him.
No, go in there with him, officer.
We can't
Go in-
drive in
yeah,
there
man.
with him for killing with it.
Yo, what happened?
What that
Go in
could
there
have
upon
done.
this.
What that could have done
Go in
so
there with him.
you go see your Christian deal with what that could up in your mouth.
Hey, boy, I see you. Kill man for killing a boy.
My son dead, daddy.